All right, we are finding time difference and local time. We're almost at the end of this topic. Patrick is working in Seoul, which is UTC plus 9, and needs to travel to Chicago, which is UTC minus 6, so it's 6 hours after. What is the time difference between these places? So, easiest way to do it is you just go, well, 9 plus, 9 minus 6, because we're doing the difference between them. So it's plus 9 minus 6, which will give you a grand total of 15 hours difference. So the 6 hours that Chicago needs to catch up, plus the 9 hours that Seoul's already in front. Question B, what is the local time in Chicago if it is 5 p.m. in Seoul? So what we've got here is Chicago is over to the west, so the Chicago, and Seoul is over to the east, and the UTC line is in the middle. So what is the time in Chicago if it is 5 p.m.? You just do the 5 p.m. Minus the 15 hours. Okay. And that would make it 2 a.m. Now, this is where 24-hour time can come in handy, because you'd have 1700 minus 15, which would leave you with 0200, which is 2 a.m. Okay, so 24-hour time can come in handy very much in these situations. Question C, a flight leaves Seoul at 5 p.m. and flies non-stop to Chicago. The flight takes 14 hours. What is the time in Chicago when the flight arrives? All right, so that means in Seoul, it was, I'm going to use 24-hour time, it was 1700. We've already worked out from this question here that in Chicago, that is 0200. Now, it has travelled for 14 hours, so we have to add 14 onto that, which will give us 1600 hours, which we can then convert, if we would like, to 4 p.m. And so the time in Chicago is 4 p.m.